I don't care what you're going to do on this one single trade. All I care about is you being long-term successful. That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Guys, do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky. It can cause substantial financial loss. This is not financial advice. This is just education only. First link in the description, guys. Learn the 7 steps to becoming a good trader. Now, let me actually talk about this here. One of the biggest mistakes that I've made, that I have made over my years when trading the markets, was always trying to make a lot of money on one really good trade. And that's what I'm trying to make $1 million on one trade. And here is the facts out of trading, right? Trading is never about one single trade. It's about how do you make money for the long term. This is again, guys, this is one of the biggest things that stopped me for a long time from actually moving forward. See, right now, most people just say this is where we are right here, okay? All I care about is where you are 12 months from now, and how can you slowly build, let's actually call this a line, how can you slowly build your income, your confidence, your belief systems, your knowledge, and so on and so forth. How can you keep growing and growing and growing and growing and growing like that there? How can you keep growing and not doing this like most people do, right? They do this. So the thing is, guys, is that it's never ever about one single trade. All I care about is your long-term success. And the only way to get long-term success in the markets is stick to one plan. And then when you trade that one plan, you start off small, you record, review, and improve weekly. Record, review, and improve weekly. And guess what? Then you get better out there. Guys, it's never, ever the system that gets you. It's not the trading system that gets you, or that system didn't work. I'm just looking for a trading system that works. Are you kidding me? The market can only really go two ways, up or down. Seriously? It's not that complicated. But we make it complicated, right? So you want to start off small because you're going to make a lot of mistakes. What are those mistakes? You're probably not going to get into the right trade. You're probably going to get into shit that you shouldn't get into. You're probably not going to be disciplined. You're not going to be patient and wait for those setups, especially when it does go quiet, and so on and so forth, right? So you need to every single week record, review, and improve. And over 1 month, 2 months, 3 months of doing this, guess what? Now you're realizing, now you're actually starting to see head on, now I start to see the pain that I'm doing by not sticking to the plan. I see that when I actually do stick to the plan, majority of those trades run on for profit. So if 80% of my trades right now are bullshit trades and they're causing me to go backwards, and literally only 20% of the trades I took right now that actually met my plan and they were profitable, maybe I should start to learn to stick to that. And therefore, that's how you learn. This is how I grew. This is how I grew as a trader. And then once you record, review, and improve, record, review, and improve. And once I started seeing this month after month after month after month after month, like 6, 7, 8 months in a row, I started realizing that when I stuck to the plan, I did well. When I didn't stick to the plan, I took this other bullshit, I didn't do well. And then I started to what? Grow and grow. And then I started, when I was recording, reviewing, and improving, I'm like, hang on a minute. When I'm in these trades, I'm realizing I'm trying to hold on for massive profits instead of just sticking to a plan. And then I realized when I trade, 1 to 4 days is my average time. So I know within 1 to 4 days, I'm likely to make a profit. And when I stick to that, that means if day 1 I'm in a nice profit, I take it. If day 2 I'm in a nice profit, I take it. Day 3 or day 4. After day 4, I need to get out for a loss and move on. Makes sense? And so then now I'm getting better at managing these trades, and my confidence is growing and growing and growing and growing and growing. And this is how you make more. This is how you get better and better and better. And guess what's happening here as well too, right? One month I'm trading. Now 1 month I'm doing this. 2 months I'm doing this. 3 months I'm doing this. You're not really making much progress here, are you? But guess what's happening after the 3 months progress? And this is the work you need to put into. You either do the work or don't do well in the markets. Do the work or stop trading. Period. So then it's after week 3, guess what? Now you're starting to grow. Instead of you doing, say, $100 trades, now say month 5, you're doing $1,000 trades. And by the time you get to, say, month 12, now you're doing, say, $5,000 trades, on average. Now, yes, what I mean by a $5,000 trade is that's like a small percent of your account. You know what I mean? What I'm saying here is that your account grows as you start to get better and better and better and better and better as a trader. Do you know what I mean? That's how you start to do $5,000 trades. You don't do $5,000 trades straight away. No, I've been there. I've done that before, and it freaks the hell out of me because I'm like, or you used to, not now. I'm okay with that now, but But I used to get really freaked out because of the amount of money there. So it's never about one trade. All I care about is your long-term success. After being mentored by 4 different 7-figure traders, I've realized they all have some things in common that actually help them do really well in the markets. So I'm actually putting on a free training where I'm going to walk you through the 7 simple but powerful universal laws to becoming a consistent profitable trader while achieving a very high success rate without spending 13 years trying to figure it all out. Plus, I'm going to walk you through the absolute details of my #1 trading system that I trade every single day. The very first link in the description, click on that and you'll be able to go check it all out and be able to go see this free training. And I'm going to walk you through every single detail of these 7 universal laws so you too can start to have the odds on your side. So go do that right now and I'll see you on the next page.